Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are your research and destruction channel, and if we got a nail biter video for you guys today, yes sir, we got some more tombstone body armor that Justin and I dreamt up, and this one is made of nothing but roofing nails and of course epoxy. And we are going to see how well this bad boy holds up. It only weighs like 25 pounds, so not too heavy, but no, that's a lie, it is heavy. But we're gonna see if it can stop these rounds here. Now we got all sparkle fart rounds today because we just love sparkle fart rounds. So the first one we got is this cool 2231. This one, these make an amazing flash. Of course, it's really bright out today. Hopefully they'll show up pretty good. We got this one. Then we are going to the 308. This is called the 308 Ralphus round. Now it doesn't have a penetrating core, but it has the same sparkle fart stuff as the 50 BMG Ralphus, which I think is zirconium or something like that. I don't know. But they've got the 308. And then my favorite round of all time, the 54RPZ. This thing, I just love this round. This is my favorite round. So we got that one, and last but not least, it just wouldn't be a Going Ballistic destructive video if we didn't break out the 50. Yes sir, we got the 50 BMG right here. Now, Justin, being an idiot, a brave young man, is gonna shoot this one. This is the newest round I got from 1944. Yes, this is a 1944 blue tip round here, and this should make a good poof there for sure. So that's what we got for you folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and now a quick word from our sponsor. Hey guys, this video is brought to you by My Cost Time. Check out these amazing cyberpunk masks that Justin and I got. This one here is Justin's, and this one here is mine. Very cool. It has the lights up on the front, does different modes and stuff. Anyways, they reached out to us and they asked us if we wanted a couple masks, and we checked them out, and it was like, man, those things are absolutely amazing. So we said, sure, send us some. So Justin and I each picked one out. They sent them right away, fast shipping. These are really quality made. Very impressed with these things. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but I got one. Halloween's coming up. So maybe you want to get one of these, or you're into Comic-Con or something else. Well, check out mycostume.com. They have a whole bunch of different stuff there that can fit many different people's needs. So if you guys are into this stuff, check out mycosttime.com and get yours today.
All right, we got the Air M16 out. We're gonna fire this 223 pink tip, which I'm surprised we have some left because we did a lot of mag dumps with them. They're beautiful. I feel like I'm a little too close, but I'm sure we'll be all right. Hopefully I don't want to get nailed.
All right.
I'm surprised you're hanging out back here with me.
Take them out.
You're in the danger zone. This is not normal.
Shut up and shoot.
Is this table bulletproof? Ooh, that was a good flash.
Ooh, pretty.
Let's see if it went through.
That was a beautiful flash. Justin nailed it right there. Ooh, no problemo.
It stopped it.
Stopped it, no bump.
Wow.
So, not bad, not bad. He kind of went in a little far. Hit this nail right on the head here. We're full of puns today. Okay. All right, what's next? 308, let's do it.
All right, so for the 308, we got this beautiful Bear Creek Arsenal. Thanks to them for that. Man, we have been beating the crap out of this thing, and it's still holding up strong. Been relatively accurate when we have zeroed this rifle, but I haven't zeroed it in a long time, so I don't know where it's gonna hit on this plate. Normally, I'm not a big fan of AR-10s because of constant issues and whatnot, but this one's been doing great. It's the only one I have. I got rid of all my other ones. Hey, bud. You ready for this?
Do it, send it.
You sure you want to hang out back here? It gets dangerous. Ooh,
Ooh, that was pretty.
I heard some noises.
Got hit on the head with something.
Did you get nailed?
I got nailed.
I'm surprised you got hit, not me.
Fat boy. I gotta quit running like that. It's too much oxygen down here. I need to go back in the mountains. All right, here we go. The 308 right there. But did it stop it? Hot dog, just a little bulge. Man, tombstone body armor.
We're getting better at this.
Tough as nails.
Tough as nails.
That's all I got, folks. So today's like 85 degrees. And you guys know, I like to ask you all, what's the weather like around the globe? So comment below and let us know what the weather's like in your neck of the woods. On to the 54R.
All right, now it's time for the 54R. I've been thoroughly impressed with this armor because nails are typically soft because they're made to bend, not snap when you hit them. So I assumed that pretty much everything we'd shoot at it would go right through. But it's actually stopping everything thus far. But we'll see what this one, the PZ round. Comment and let us know what PZ stands for. I forgot. Chris probably did too. But it has a little penetrator inside, so that might actually go through. And also comment and let us know what else we should shoot at or make armor with.
Whoa, that's gonna... Oh, my back.
You're too old for this.
Send it.
Where am I hitting?
Hit the nail.
On the head. Ooh!
Whoa, that was pretty.
That was pretty. Lots of smoke.
Yeah, I love those rounds.
Heard stuff go airborne.
All right, let's see where he nailed it. Oh, check it out. We got some hangnails.
Yeah.
Little hangnails sticking out here. Those things hurt.
Oh, it's even more armor.
Yeah. All right. Hey, check it out.
No way.
You hit pretty much
What else did you put in there?
just nails, man. Just roofing nail.
I don't believe you.
Well, that's too bad. But you almost stacked it right on top of the, I think that was the 308. And it didn't go through. Woohoo! Another armor. We're coming after you, RTS. This is really tough stuff.
Really heavy.
Tough as nails, yeah. Heavy as freaking all get out. All right, time for the 50. It's going through. It's gone. Gone.
No, I got hopes it's gonna stop it.
What?
It's gonna stop it.
No, it ain't.
You gotta be positive about our armor, Chris.
I like to be surprised.
Or pessimistic.
Shut up.
All right, so we got the 50 out. It's been a little while. I've missed this thing. It's a little dusty. It'll be all right. And we're shooting this sketchy 1944 blue tip. I have to say blue tip because people that run this platform get offended when I say certain things like, you know what the blue tip is. Like I'm hurting anyone. You good? You got your...
Look, I got new body armor. It's called Justin Jort's armor.
I don't know if that's a good idea. Well, I am invisible, so.
It's invincible, and no, you're not. So just shoot.
I've heard it both ways.
Whoa! Dang! That was awesome.
That was pretty cool. Do you think it went through?
Protecting me.
Oh, of course. I got you, babe. Check it out. Got your breath back yet?
Fat boy's tired, man. I'm not used to running like that.
What are you talking about? You're a stunning specimen for your age.
Thank you. Okay. Let's see where he hit it. Again, a few more hang nails. Right down there. I know he hit it on the head of the nail because it's missing. Woo. Okay. The moment y'all been waiting for.
Oh.
Holy crap, holy.
That was a little much.
Yeah, it went through with some vengeance there.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
I thought it stopped it.
No. Well, we haven't developed 50 BMG armor yet, but we're getting there. We are getting there. It stopped everything else just fine. I mean, you'd die from carrying this dang thing around, but it stopped all the other sparkle fart rounds, so that's pretty cool. Well, folks, that's what we got for you. Comment, let us know which round was your favorite. I'm pretty sure I know what Justin's was, and that was this one, the 50. Freaking bug went in my mouth, man. I gotta get out of this freaking country stuff and back into the mountains. This is ridiculous. Gross. Gross. All right. Where was I? Yes. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Let us know what your favorite round is, and we'll be back.